Never 3 flat, came home with 2 cars, nigga. Edgemere Projects right now, Far Rock America, man. Bynoe, man. Far Rockaway, what you make a day, we take away, man. I'm fresh out the can, man. I'm about to turn it up on these niggas in 2013, man. You feel me? So you gonna go through the hood and shit, man. I'm gonna take you out on the motherfucking day in my motherfucking life, man. What we doing out here, you feel me? Feel good to be back, you know? Let's do it for the people, man. There's a lot of bullshit going on with the hurricane and shit, you know what I mean? Like a lot of my people's out here fucked up, no power, no electricity, man, no heat, no food, you know what I'm saying? Shit was just crazy out here, you feel me? So, you know what I mean? I just pray and hope everything will be better, man. People that have helped out, you know what I mean? Donated clothes, you know what I mean? Stood on lines, helped people, sticking together, coming together, man. Shout out to Timberland, Mark Stoudemire, Mark John Legend, most of all type of people. Donald Trump donated some things to my nephew's school and shit. So, I mean, we was getting help from here and there, man. A lot of celebrities came out here and showed up. Tyson Chandler. So it was a blessing to let us know that they care too, you feel me? On that ride, smoke in that air, foot on that gas, money all in that bag, new coupe with no tags, top back when I pass. Yeah. Don't blow my high, bitch, I'm sawn on. Slide in the plane, bitch, I'm ballin' on. Swish, pop another pill, now she won't cut. Blew another pen, I don't give a fuck. Pure D, not stepped on. Yeah. Fuck niggas get crept on. Yeah. Real crazy, man, you know what I'm saying? I got the Don't Blow My High single dropping. You know what I mean? That's me, featuring CHINX, you know what I'm saying? Produced by Beat Billionaire, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to MG and everybody. Coke Boys and shit, you know what I mean? RiotSquad and shit, doing what we do. I'm real excited about that shit, and we're gonna have that build a little bit more momentum for the actual project. That's Live Bad, Die Famous. I mean, death is nothing but to live, defeated is to die every day. So I'll live bad to die famous, you heard? So that's my motto, that's my slogan, you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm moving out here with, you know what I mean? RiotSquad, you know? Bring this shit real crazy, you know what I'm saying? Get it where it needs to be at, you know what I'm saying? I know we was up next, you know what I'm saying? We had a little mismatch, you know what I'm saying? I went to jail, drugged in jail, passed away, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Before we doing what we had to do, you know what I'm saying? So, shit, back where it needs to be at, man. Turn up time, yo. I'm about to get this shit going, yo. Holla at y'all niggas. Haters watching my flow, hoes dropping them draws for a real nigga. Geeking off them pills, nigga. This shit you gon' feel, nigga. I've been drinking since the morning. Coke boy, I'm on it. Ballin' on the car, left them niggas on the donut.